Yeah, what's up? It's your boy House of Kicks, houseofkicks.com. The website is ready, so make sure you check us out. Big shout out to my man Kickzone for doing this with me, keeping it real. You know what I'm saying? That's my man right there, doing his SBs and all that stuff. And big shout out to my man Kick Spot, getting his store soon, December 1st. So make sure you check him out. We got a lot of shoes, a lot of nice stuff. And yeah, basically what we have on this website is stuff that I own myself and my friends own. You see those on consignment, and I take all the pictures. So make sure you check us out. We try to keep this real, and we don't sell any fakes. We don't tolerate fakes, and we will never sell any fakes. So if you have any questions, just call me up, 240-481-1672, House of Kicks. And every week we're going to have some new stuff on the website, so stay tuned and always let us know what you think. If you don't like something, leave us a message and send us your feedback. You're welcome. Alright, have a good one, and make sure you always check us out, houseofkicks.com. Thank you. Peace.